Today we are going to make gobi ke danthal, which is a curry prepared with cauliflower leaf stalks. Here are the ingredients we will need: 3 tablespoons of oil, 500 grams of gobi ke danthal or cauliflower stalks. These have been cleaned and chopped. Puree of 2 onions and 1 clove of garlic. Puree of 3 tomatoes. 1 tablespoon grated ginger. 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of mango powder, 1 green chilli chopped, 3 teaspoons of cilantro, and a cup of water. So keep the pressure cooker on high heat. Add oil, let it heat up. Once the oil is hot, add the onion and garlic puree and saute until it turns light brown in color. Keep the heat on high and stir continuously. The onion garlic puree is turned brown. Add the tomato puree and the grated ginger and mix well. Add the chopped green chillies, the kasuri methi as well as the spices, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, and garam masala, and stir now until well combined. Add the chopped cauliflower stalks and mix well and cook this until the oil separates out of the masala. Keep the heat on high. The oil is separated out now. Add the cilantro and mix well. Now add the water and close the pressure cooker. Keep the heat on medium and give 2 whistles, then put off the heat. So there's the second whistle, put off the heat, and now open the cooker when the pressure subsides. So the cooker has cooled down. We're going to open it now. We will check the cauliflower stalks and see if they have softened or not. So they are cooked, they are soft. So the extra water in there has to be dried out. We'll keep the heat on high now and add the amchur powder. This is dry mango powder. We'll give it a mix. And now we need to dry out the extra water in the vegetable. So we'll stir at regular intervals so that the vegetable does not stick to the bottom of the pressure cooker. So vegetable is ready. The extra water has dried out now. We'll put off the heat and transfer the vegetable to a serving bowl. So here is our dish of the day, gobi ke danthal. Garnish with some cilantro and serve it with roti or as a side dish to a meal. Do try it, give your feedback, and please share our video. Thanks for watching. Have a very nice day.